Alright, let's look at the homework 4.5, problem number 10. Alright, so let's find an equation of the tangent line. Alright, so before we take the derivative, I'm going to simplify a little bit. So you have, so y cubed is still y cubed. There's a natural log, so I'm going to split it as a natural log of x. Right? Multiplication becomes addition outside, so you have a natural log of y is equal to 2. Right? Now we can take the derivative. Right? We're going to take the derivative with respect to x. Right? So we're going to get the 3y squared, and we have a dy over dx, plus derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x, and derivative of natural log of y is 1 over y times dy over dx. Right? And the derivative of a constant is 0, so you get that. Right? So I'm going to group these guys together, the terms with the dy over dx, and pull out the dy over dx. So this is going to be, right, so we have a dy over dx, and we have a 3y squared plus 1 over y. Right? Then I'm going to put this term over to the other side. So by subtracting 1 over x, we can place it on the other side. So you have negative 1 over x. Alright, then we want to isolate dy over dx. So we're going to divide through by quantity 3y squared plus 1 over y. So we'll get dy over dx is equal to, right, so you have a negative 1 over x over 3y squared plus 1 over y. Alright, and this is good. So let's see, we're looking for the equation of the tangent line, so we need a couple pieces of information. Right, first one, we need a point, so I'm going to call it x1 comma y1, and this is going to be a given point, so you have a e comma 1, right? And the second piece of information is the slope, right? So all you have to do is take dy over dx, then we evaluate it at x comma y equals e comma 1, right? So this is going to be equal to, right, on top you have a negative 1 over x is e, right? Then 3 times 1 squared, so it's going to be 3 plus, and a 1 over 1, which is 1, right? So you get, let's see, I'm going to put the negative sign, 1's on top, and the 1 over e divided by 4, so 1 over 4e. Right, we get that. So therefore, the equation is going to be y minus y1, 1, is equal to negative 1 over 4e times quantity x minus x1, which is e. Right, so let's type it in. Well, actually, we have to write it as a y equals form, so I'm going to actually simplify a little bit. Alright, I'm going to distribute this guy to x and negative e, so that we're going to get negative 1 over 4e times x and plus, right, and e cancel out, so you're going to get to 1/4. Alright, then since I have to isolate y, so I'm going to add 1 to both sides. We get y is equal to negative 1 over 4ex, then 1/4 plus 1 is 5/4. Alright, so let's type it in. We get negative 1 over 4e x plus 5/4. All right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.